The world of smartwatches just got a refreshing twist as Google quietly began rolling out the much-anticipated Wear OS 6 update for the Pixel Watch 3 and Pixel Watch 2, marking a massive leap in design, functionality, and performance for users who have been eagerly waiting for something new. Yes, after unveiling the brand new Pixel Watch 4 during its Made by Google event back in August, Google has finally turned its attention to its previous generation models, proving once again that it still values long-term support for existing users. This silent but powerful rollout has already begun hitting devices in regions like the US, UK, and Germany, and early adopters are raving about the new look, smoother animations, and enhanced performance across the board. The Wear OS 6 update, carrying the build number BP38.250905.014, W3, is based on Android 16, and is now officially available for both Bluetooth and LTE variants of the Pixel Watch 2 and Pixel Watch 3. While the first generation Pixel Watch hasn't received the update yet, sources confirm that its rollout is just around the corner, likely within the coming weeks. Now, what exactly makes this update so special? Let's start with the visuals. Google has completely redesigned the interface with its new Material 3 Expressive design language, bringing brighter colors, modern typography, and smoother transitions that make the watch feel brand new again. From redesigned icons to refined layouts across apps like Google Photos, Gmail, and Fitbit, everything now looks cleaner, more cohesive, and easier on the eyes. The update also adds dynamic color theming, allowing users to personalize their Pixel Watch experience like never before, matching their watch faces and menus with their phone's theme for a unified aesthetic. But Google didn't just stop at the looks. It has also made significant battery and performance optimizations under the hood. According to Google, Wear OS 6 delivers up to 10% better battery life, thanks to improved background process management and smarter energy consumption. This means users can now enjoy longer daily use, fewer charges, and smoother multitasking without compromising on speed. The interface feels snappier, apps open faster, and scrolling through notifications is buttery smooth, exactly the kind of refinement users have been asking for. Another major highlight is the revamped Quick Settings panel, which now includes 2 new toggles, Flashlight and Do Not Disturb, giving users more control directly from their wrist. There's also a brand new Live Updates feature, which allows notifications from select apps to stay active and continuously refresh with real-time information. Imagine tracking your food delivery or ride-share progress directly from your watch without constantly checking your phone. That's the kind of smart integration Wear OS 6 brings to the table. This level of seamless functionality shows Google's commitment to making the Pixel Watch a true extension of your Android experience. But that's not all. User reports on Reddit and X, formerly Twitter, confirm that the update is already rolled out in multiple countries, indicating a full-scale global release is now underway. Many users have praised the Material 3 redesign, calling it the biggest visual upgrade Wear OS has ever received. The typography feels bolder yet cleaner, and the animations now align better with Google's updated design standards across its ecosystem, making the transition between your Pixel phone, tablet, and watch feel more fluid than ever before. Another subtle yet impactful change lies in how notifications and tiles behave. The haptic feedback is more precise, and the transitions between different menus feel more natural, creating a more immersive and polished user experience. This update also lays the groundwork for upcoming app integrations, especially for Google Assistant, Google Home, and Fitbit Health, ensuring that users get a unified experience across all Google devices. Speaking of Fitbit, Wear OS 6 also introduces better syncing and enhanced health metrics, improving sleep tracking accuracy and workout recognition speed. So whether you're jogging, cycling, or meditating, your watch now captures more data with less lag. It's a small but meaningful upgrade for fitness enthusiasts who rely on their Pixel Watch for daily activity tracking. Now, it's worth noting that this Wear OS 6 update comes shortly after Google's unveiling of the Pixel Watch 4, which runs the same OS version out of the box. The Pixel Watch 4 features a powerful Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 processor, paired with a Cortex M55 coprocessor, and offers up to 45 hours of usage on a single charge with its crisp AMOLED display available in both 41mm and 45mm sizes. What's interesting here is how Google is bridging the gap between its latest and older models by bringing key features of the Pixel Watch 4 to the Pixel Watch 2 and 3 through this update. That means even if you're using last year's smartwatch, you're still getting the same modern software experience. And that's a big win for users who value longevity and consistent updates. This also hints at Google's evolving strategy of treating the Pixel ecosystem as a unified platform rather than fragmented devices, much like Apple's seamless integration between its iPhone, Watch, and iPad ecosystems. By aligning Wear OS 6 across generations, Google ensures that your Pixel Watch 2 or 3 remains relevant, future-ready, and capable of running the latest features. The improved battery efficiency, color customization, and interface redesign all point toward one major goal: making the Pixel Watch line not just smarter, but also more personal and beautiful to use. And let's not forget how this update enhances overall accessibility. The menus are clearer, contrast levels are improved, and gestures feel more intuitive, making navigation easier for users of all ages. Even app developers will benefit, as Google has optimized Wear OS 6 to handle modern app frameworks more efficiently, which means faster updates and more reliable performance from third-party apps in the Play Store. If you've been holding on to your Pixel Watch 2 or 3, this update breathes new life into your device, giving it the modern look and feel of a brand new smartwatch. And if you haven't received the update yet, don't worry. Google has already confirmed that the rollout will continue in waves over the coming days, so it's only a matter of time before it reaches your region. The Material 3 design, 10% better battery, new toggles, and Live updates feature combine to make Wear OS 6 not just an update, but a transformation. It's clear that Google is refining its wearable experience to match the sophistication of its Pixel phones, building a stronger ecosystem where everything just works seamlessly together. And when you look at how consistent these updates have become, it's evident that Google's long-term plan for wearables is starting to take shape, one update at a time. So, if you own a Pixel Watch 2 or 3, go ahead and install the Wear OS 6 update as soon as it hits your device, because this one's worth it. You'll not only notice the smoother animations and fresh design, but also experience improved efficiency and personalization that make daily use a delight. And for those wondering whether it's time to upgrade to the